Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free TRX directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum of faucetpay you're going to be sending your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, to get this started, all you need to do is just to follow me throughout this video and you're going to be getting a step-by-step guide on how you can achieve this. Guys, if you know you're watching this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be updated on it and be the first to be also notified on it. So guys, as you can see over here, this is the site, and the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. So guys, when you click on the link, it's going to be bringing you over here, and as you can see, this is a free faucet, no timer, unlimited, 24/7 open. So guys, you can earn unlimitedly from this, and as you can see over here, this is the balance of Satoshi that the TRX Satoshi that is left in my account, and this is what we are going to be earning every single minute. As you can see over here, we have 9 claims a day. So guys, we're going to be claiming 9 times in a day, and this is we're going to be claiming up to 66,666 to 88,888 every single minute. So guys, all you need to do, as you can see over here, it says click here to approve you are human. You will get extra 100% bonus. So guys, this is optional. If you like, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, you can just continue earning the normal way. But when you do this, you're going to be giving 100% bonus for your claim. When you claim, you're going to be giving extra 100% bonus. So guys, all you need to do over here, you come over here, you are going to be imputing your TRX address in this section over here. All you need to do is to go to your faucetpay. And when you go to your faucetpay, you tap on the deposit, and when you are going to be seeing your addresses in the deposit section. So as you can see over here, you need to do is to check for your TRX. As you can see over here, this is my TRX address. All you need to do is to tap on it and it's going to be copied. So guys, if you don't have a faucetpay account, I'm going to be leaving a link to the video where I explained how to create a faucetpay account step by step. I'm going to be dropping the link to the video in the description box below. So when you've copied your address, all you need to do is to come over here and paste the address in which you copied. And after that is done, you're going to be verifying that you are human by tapping on this captcha over here. And as you can see, please click images containing an apple. So we're going to be doing that. So after this is done and you have been verified, all you need to do is to scroll down and also click on the antibot link in the following order. As you can see over here: fox, cat, elephant, and lion. And after that is done, you're going to be waiting for 7 seconds. As you can see over here, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and we're going to click on get reward. Now when you click on the get reward button, as you can see over here, this has been sent to our faucetpay account. 73,373 Satoshi of TRX have been sent to my wallet, and I'm going to be heading to my faucetpay account to see if this payment actually arrived. So guys, this is my faucetpay account, and as you can see over here, 73,573 Satoshi of TRX have been received successfully in my account. So guys, this is how you can earn TRX for free every single minute on this site. So guys, to also earn more from this site, all you need to do, as you can see, after your claim, you are going to be giving your referral link. As you can see over here, all you need to do is to copy your referral link and share to your friends and loved ones so they too can also earn. And when they earn, you're going to be getting 15% from their earnings. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.